everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sweta, and in today's video we are going on dive into a flexible and expanded widget in a Flutter. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming Flutter tutorials. So let's start. Expanded widget. So the expanded widget is used to make a child widget take up all the available space within a row, column or flex. So it's expanded the child to fill the available space in the main axis horizontally in row and vertically in column. For example, here we are is a row and expanded to widgets to fill up all the available space using expanded widget. Okay. And the flexible widget. So the flexible widget is used to allow a child widget to take up a space, but it can also allow other widget to share the space. You can specify the amount of space a widget should take relative to other widget using the flex property. So here is the row, and row in the expanded is fill up the available space, and the flexible is take a particular widget space. Okay, so what is the expanded vs flexible? So the forces child to fill all available space using expanded and allow child to take flexible space using flexible. Does not allow customization of flex using expanded. You can customize space distribution using the flex property using flexible. Okay, so takes all remaining space using expanded and takes space according to the flex value using flexible. When you want a widget to expand and fill available space, we are using expanded widget. And when you want to control how much space a widget takes relative to other using flexible widget. Okay, so let's see with example. Here is the example. So in example we are using a in column. So in column we are using a different row. Okay, so in the first row we are using container. Its height is 100 and row is fill all the space, available space. Okay, then we are using in second row using flex. We are using flex, so it's take flex 1 take is available space of flex 1, flex 2 and flex 3. Okay, using flexible. Then we are using in a third row with no flex, so it's equal space, equal available space, it's okay. And then we are using a expanded. So in the expanded we are using first container. Okay, so container is takes a hello word, hello, and we are using expanded, so it's take available all space using expanded widget. Okay, same in the flexible. We are using without flex attribute flexible using, and then we are using container. So here is the full example of using flexible and expanded. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Flutter tutorials. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.